Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Parvathi here from Paru's Craftology. Today we'll be making a travel theme masculine art journal page. So let's get started. I'm using the Craftangles diary here to make my art journal page. And next up I'm using this transfer sheet with the name Vintage Journal 7, cutting it to the size of my page, sticking it directly onto the page, and now dabbing on some excess water onto the page. I want some crackles to be formed, so this is the best way to get some crackles. Now to add more texture, I'm using Craftangles Crackle photopolymer stamp. I'm using archival ink to get the impressions on. Next up, I'm using the journal sticker roll. This is vintage tickets, and to add more texture, I'm adding more stamps here. This is a stamp set from 7 Gypsies. This is a very old stamp set that I have in my stash. Once I'm happy with the number stamping and the textures of the background, I move on to add the tickets. So these are Craftangles rolls, the journal rolls. I fussy cut out the tickets that I want that matches the background, etc., and using them like so. This one again is a sticker, the journal stickers that comes in the size of 6x4 in the name Vintage Elements. Now to add some detailing, I'm adding liquid watercolor in the shade O Fudge. To do some edging and deepen tones here and there, I'm using liquid acrylics from Craftangles in the shade Carbon Black. I add splatters for the same later on, and to add some more detailing, I'm adding splatters of titanium white as well. This is a paper doll from Tim Holtz. Adding this travel sentiment from Craftangles. To finish off, I'm adding a beautiful butterfly, and this is your completed page. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Till we meet again, it's Parvati signing off. Bye bye.